They see me rolling. Oh. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SeaTac Studios. My name is Jake Pack, and today it is with great pleasure to introduce to you one of our newest partners, but they may not be new to you as they come to us with an incredible reputation in the design industry. Please welcome Roland Hill. Roland Hill is a design-minded, American-grown lighting and furniture manufacturing company committed to on-demand production. They build and assemble designs by hand in their U.S. facility based in Grand Rapids, Michigan, with a dedicated team of very skilled craftspeople. Now, just a little background on Roland Hill. It was founded in 2010 by Jason Miller, and his primary mission was to establish a homegrown American design aesthetic by offering state-of-the-art manufacturing services for emerging designers here in the US. Originally based in Brooklyn, New York, they have since made the acquisition of a 75-year-old furniture manufacturer and made the recent expansion of their lighting facilities in Grand Rapids, Michigan, which has allowed the brand to hit a new milestone in growth and servicing for large commercial opportunities. Now, it's important to know what's in the true DNA of Roland Hill, and I'm gonna break it down by 4 key categories. The first category is craft. They use mastercraft people that are all from design schools, graduates, artists, printmakers, architects, and progressive engineers who all consider the construction and longevity of each unique design. Second would be materials. They are a champion of using natural materials to tell stories. They use everything from wood, glass, metal, and even ceramics, all while considering the aging process of their choices so that pieces will live on for generations to come. Number 3, we have innovative manufacturing. Their new 30,000 square foot furniture facility and 63,000 square foot lighting facility allows for efficient production and minimum waste. And last but certainly not least, we have number 4, made to order. So each Roland Hill piece is made after the order is placed in their state-of-the-art facility, ensuring the clients get exactly what they want and allows them to constantly bring new designs into production. And one unique fact, every order is assigned and made with care by a single craftsman through to completion. So it's truly like having an artist make you that special piece that you will cherish forever. Roland Hill is going to be suited for a large range of projects covering for residential, hospitality, iconic landmarks, and even custom projects that need a specialized approach to solving design limitations or bringing concepts to life that you didn't think were initially feasible. Now, I could honestly go down a rabbit hole of all the pieces I love with you, but I think that we've already covered a lot today, and I'd like to leave you wanting more. Coming soon to a screen near you, Design Inspo with Jake, featuring Roland Hill. But until then, reach out to your local rep if you have any questions, or if you're ready to see some samples of the pieces in person. Thanks so much, and we'll see you here next time. Bye.
Hey everyone, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video.